Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a good solid day. Factor in the context of Friday, which had the final 30 minutes just absolutely explode. Going into the day was, okay, is this actually legitimate, or is that just some sort of, knee-jerk type reaction? And yeah, it did pull back this morning, but check it out. Found support right at that green line, which I talked about previously. So a classic example there of, the power of technical charts. So 393 remains that main level of support moving forward. But the good news is, because the price, just trended upwards basically the rest of the day, 393, I mean, it could certainly come into play, but right now it doesn't seem to be that relevant. But nonetheless, that still remains that overarching level of support. But the more interesting dynamics is all about, and again, once again, the power of charts, that level right there at 396.50. I drew that red line in there on Friday, and you can see that a couple of times there, rejected the price, and then once again, rejected the price this afternoon. So while I'm not saying that 396.50 can never be broken, I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling around that area, and that's going to be the area where basically every breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching and wondering, can the price finally get the break up through that area? And if it can, then that's what brings about the next key level of resistance as a very, no guarantees, but as a very possibility of occurring, would be right up there around 398. So my point here is that I don't think anyone would be surprised or shocked that if 396.50 is broken, especially if it's a high volume break, then the price has a fantastic chance of at least minimally getting up to 398, if not even higher than that. So definitely keep an eye on these couple areas of resistance. Now, of course, if the price just has a big gap down, then this would all change. But assuming the price opens up right around these areas of resistance, those are certainly going to be the levels that a lot of people are watching moving forward. So definitely a good start to the week, and we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.